Things to consider when moving a senior. Moving a senior loved one could bring them closer to their family. Make sure that live in a safer home environment, and encourage them to live a more active lifestyle. Whether your parent is considering moving in with you, downsize and relocate to a senior apartment, or transfer to an assisted living community, here are some moving help recommendations to help you make the transition a breeze. Moving help. Tips when moving a senior. Delegate the moving tasks. A lot of seniors have a lot of collectibles. If your parent is downsizing, then they have to leave some of their things behind. Ask them to start in a room that contains items with low sentimental value like the guest suite or the bathroom. Help them make tough decisions. If your senior loved one has been living in the house for several years, things that seem unimportant may seem essential. Assist them in sorting out their belongings into their keep and give away piles. It's simpler to give away things when you know they're going to a good home. If an item won't fit in their new house, then find a friend or relative who will accept it. Use senior relocation services. If you cannot be with your loved ones as they prepare for their move, you can seek out moving help like Brunswick Organizing Solutions. Hire an expert who can simplify the emotional part of moving. Even when you're not available to assist your loved one in their transition, a third party can help make hard decisions to reduce the fighting and tension among family. Look for a company that offers senior relocation services. It's even better if you find one that works with other experts such as those that handle cleaning, home staging, real estate sales, as well as donations. Plan the moving transportation. Aside from move packing services, you should also plan the transportation of your senior loved one. Most seniors cannot go through a long road trip without stops or assistance, while others may need a full-service medical transport. Take care of seniors' healthcare before the move. Your senior loved one will need new healthcare providers. You have to conduct your research and obtain referrals from their doctors, and set appointments right after they arrive in their new home so they don't have to endure long waiting lists. Make the new location feel like home. Familiar arrangements and possessions could be comforting, especially when they're moving to a new home. Provide the new space of your senior loved one with personal touches so they feel like they're home. Call Brunswick Organizing Solutions now at 910-477-3768 or 843-429-8158 if you're looking for expert help in moving your senior loved one to their new home comfortably, easily, and seamlessly. Brunswick Organizing Solutions serves Myrtle Beach to Wilmington, North Carolina.